What's up, guys? Malachi, do you recognize that race car?
Yeah, it's that police race.
I know. You remember that one?
Yes.
What's up, guys? Welcome to next video. It is Malachi's 7th birthday.
Yep.
Well, he turned 7. So, I want to give him his birthday present. Do you know how much money that is? That's like all of it. What are you gonna buy with it? What do you want with it? We can go buy whatever you want.
Car.
It's $100. What?
Drift car.
You want what?
I want a drift car.
Okay. What kind of drift car do you want?
A tiny one.
A tiny one?
One of those.
Okay.
I have much money. How would we get a Corvette?
You want a what?
Corvette?
You want to drift a Corvette?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yes.
What about like this one? This one's like a 240.
No.
No, that one's a 370Z. You want a what?
Corvette.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay. You want to go buy one today?
Yeah. 2020.
That's 100.
20.
20 times 5 is 100.
20.
Let's go find a Corvette to buy.
I have.
All right, dude. Look what I found, Malachi. It's a Corvette. It's $100. You want to go look at it?
Yeah.
All right, guys. He's not too far away. Only like 20 minutes. Are you excited?
Yes.
What do you mean?
I'm really excited.
So, I told Malachi if we did do this, there's no way we're gonna keep it stock. We're gonna definitely have to wrap it, throw some wheels on it. There's actually this really cool company that makes aftermarket batteries for it and gears and stuff like that. So we're gonna definitely make it way faster than the factory Power Wheels. Make it super cool. Have you thought about colors or anything like that yet, dude?
I will change the wheels, but I like the colors. Black and red just makes it good.
Okay, but you do want to make it go faster and you want to change the wheels?
Yes.
Okay. So if you guys want to stay tuned on this Corvette build,
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
hell yeah. All right, Malachi, so we're almost there. I'm going to briefly kind of tell you how to buy a car. You guys asking $100. Malachi, you only have $100 for your birthday. That's all you got. So what you're going to do is you're going to see if he's going to take about $80. Because if he takes $80, count out 4 of those for me. Count out 4 of those $20 bills for me.
4.
Okay, now put that other $20 bill in your pocket. Put that one in your pocket. All right, now show me that $80. All right, so if we can get the Corvette for that $80, we can either use the extra 20 you have in your pocket for maybe some extra wheels or something like that.
Yeah.
Or maybe some ice cream. Teaching him how to lowball people. Which, that's not even really lowballing, because if the guy's asking 100 and we offer 80, that's a pretty fair deal. So hopefully he takes our $80, don't you think? Because then we got $20 to spend on ice cream. What's up, dude? There it is. What do you think of it? Check out them wheels. What do you think?
I don't like it.
You kind of like it. You gotta ask them if they.
it.
You gotta ask them if you take it on a little test drive. All right, hop in there, dude. See if you like it.
I do not know, but because it's a little tiny.
Here, hold on. We gotta put the battery in it real quick. Perfect. All right, see if you like it. See if it's fast enough for you.
See if it even rolls with the dead battery.
What?
See if it's not.
Hit the gas pedal.
Yeah, hit it.
Nope, it's dead.
Is it?
Oh, it's got a dead battery on it.
My 3-year-old.
Since that battery doesn't work, he might negotiate with you a little bit, buddy. What do you think?
Well, if the battery doesn't work, we take 80.
You know what? I sure would.
He'll take 80, man.
I don't even have
Show
to
him,
negotiate.
show him the money.
Woo. Well, thank you.
Shake his hand.
Oh, there you go.
Boom, that's a deal. You bought your first car. You have in your hand, you have that extra 20.
Yep.
We got it for $80. But anyway, we're gonna take this back to the shop. Try to charge the battery a little bit, I guess. And then, yeah, we'll start ordering some parts for it. Dang, the prior owner's got a couple wall taps in. They were really shredding those tires off. But yeah, we already ordered in a Wise Fab kit for this car. So hopefully we get some angle up there up front with the Wise Fab on there. Bro, are you excited? Whoa, dude.
It has my whole name.
That's your whole name.
Oh no.
Do you want anything on it?
My name is getting ripped off.
You want some like
that they do that.
marshmallows or
Nothing.
brownies, whipped cream?
I want marshmallows, yeah.
What do you think, dude? Was that worth lowballing the guy on the Corvette 20 bucks? Because now we get ice cream. Whoa, are we, what? Where are we going, dude? Are you jumping? Jump. All right. Go get in the car. Oh, wow, why did I literally just dropped all this.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, that looks so amazing. Is that where you're having your snack at? Quit making that weird face. What are you eating over there? Is that just chocolate? Why didn't you want anything on it? You're a weirdo.
No, weirdo.
All right, so you got your Corvette and you got some ice cream, dude.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, but come here, Dad.
What are you gonna do? You said you for sure wanted to paint the wheels.
Yeah, but I just... Can I carry it?
You want to carry the camera?
I just do not know. There's that little button, but there's no stop.
There's no brake pedal. You don't need brakes to go fast.
Yeah, so that's what you're... So,
Yeah, you only need a gas pedal.
and I like how this merch is, but we're gonna...
Oh yeah, the Corvette emblem?
Yeah, maybe we can take one of the light off and just paint
Paint that a different color, paint that.
Yeah.
Maybe paint all these a different color, maybe that as well. Do you like the red interior, the red steering wheel and the red
Yeah.
seat, or what?
Yeah, and maybe paint the wheels like black or something.
Paint the wheels black? No.
It's already black.
No black wheels.
Blue. or something
Okay,
like
yep.
that.
I was about to say,
It can work.
my kid can be a lot of things, but he is not going to be one that has black wheels.
It can only be these.
Okay.
Blue,
Yeah.
or, I mean,
we can do
blue
white
or
wheels.
white.
I'm cool with that. No black wheels, Malachi. What about these? Which are your favorite wheels out of all these?
Thing that is keeping it from
Tires?
scratching the thing is gonna be the blue part. Or
Wait, you're gonna paint the
white.
tires blue? I'm confused now.
Yes.
You're gonna
And
paint the tires
then
blue?
This part is just gonna be green.
Okay.
Like that.
So they're
I
gonna
like it
be green and the
like that.
tires are gonna be blue apparently.
And maybe we can change like.
Look at that angle though. We'll have to do something with that. We'll have to get a little bit more angle out of that.
Yeah.
What do you say we get a little towel real quick and we'll get some cleaner and we'll clean it up real quick? And then we're gonna order some parts. What do you think about that?
Million towels here. There's like 1,000. Alright, so this is.
This is the best glass cleaner in the world.
Yes, I know. Woohoo! That actually looks pretty nice.
All right, clean it up.
Oh, it's gonna bother
Clean them
me.
wheels up.
Oh my gosh, you got it on my toe.
Clean it up good. She's not perfect. We got her used off the Facebook Marketplace, but we'll have to clean it up,
But my
buy
little-
some parts.
But my little skinny fingers can fit.
You
know
missed
what to,
these wheels over here.
Hey Dad, look, there's a little black part. Do you want to
Okay,
do
yeah, we'll
that?
clean that in here in a second. Clean this wheel up. You missed that and you missed this one too. Oh yeah, that's where we did a burnout in my showroom. It wasn't really much of a burnout. I didn't want to completely tear up the floors.
This is the fun part. I just,
Cleaning it all up.
yep. And an idea. This whole race car is gonna be shiny green.
What's up guys? On that note, we are gonna end this video. We've got to order some parts for this thing. We're gonna make it fast, kind of customize it to Malachi's liking. And hopefully this thing's a pretty cool drift car for him. You have anything you wanna say?
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
You excited to build your Corvette?